Hello, welcome to Fitu Thai Kitchen. Today we're going to make khai yasai or egg parcel, but we don't post to anywhere. I'm not going to buy the first class stamp. Okay, I just show you first what ingredient we use. We sliced garlic in the small pieces, white onion, and coriander root, mushroom, yellow pepper, green pepper, red pepper, sweet corn, carrot, tomato, spring onion, coriander, everything sliced into dice. And minced chicken. Minced chicken we use about 100 gram. If you like more meat, you can add into 100 gram. And we use 3 eggs to wrap it, make the parcel. Okay. And this one put into for the nice taste. We use oyster sauce, tomato sauce, light soy sauce, and sugar. Okay, now we start to make the filling. Okay, first we put the oil in the wok. We put garlic first. Garlic, onion, and coriander. We fry until turn to brown color, or you can get the nice smell or aroma from them. And when it's the smell nice, you put minced chicken. Okay, now the kitchen have cooked, and we put the taste. Okay, we put first we try 1.5 tablespoon of light soy sauce. Two spoon of oyster sauce. 2 spoons of tomato sauce. Ketchup. I don't know why they call ketchup. I don't know why they call ketchup. Okay, and we mix until we mix well. Half tablespoon of sugar. And you taste it, how the taste like.
This one is not spicy, is it?
No, this one not spicy. The kids, they love it. Then we put a little bit of sugar. Okay, when everything mixed well, and now we put all this, the mixture, everything we can put together. you can see the multicolor.
Well, you look very picky today, man. That's all.
Taste it one more time. Okay, and we put tomato, spring onion, and coriander last. Okay, now we have the filling. That's it. The filling look like this. And then next we beat the egg. We used 3 eggs. And we beat it. And put a little bit of soy sauce. Make more tasty. And now we make the wrap. So we use the different box. We just put the oil, but not too much, and make it hot. But the gas is not too high. When we make the wrap, the gas not too high and not too much oil. Then you, after a little bit hot, then you can put maybe too much oil. Then you can put the egg. You just turn the wok and make the egg spread all over the. Nhìn này bơ lơ này.
This one is like a Thai Spanish omelette.
Yeah, look like a Spanish omelette, but we wrap. Okay, I think now the egg have cooked, and we put the filling. And then we wrap. And now this one sweet.
Alright, so we're gonna try KSI. I've had this dish many times. This is like Thai Spanish omelette. Is how I look at it. It's packed full of veggies, chicken, and you know the flavor is not too out there. So this is perfect for those youngsters and those adults that like things a bit simpler. So let's give this a try. Oh, look at all that lovely filling. Feel free to put whatever you want inside. Still crunchy. Okay, Boo, you want to try and come in? Try this? Careful, don't kick the things. Here, well, sit down. Okay, take a bit and tell the people what you think.
This bit?
Yeah, move it. You can take a bit of the egg as well. What do you think? Is it a thumbs up? Yeah, is it nice? You like it? Okay, good. What do you mean, yeah? It's actually the first time that Gabriel's tried this. So, yeah. This is a really easy dish. It's a great one when you're cooking. Just make something a bit more interesting for the kids that maybe they haven't had before. And it's a bit of fun. You can maybe cook it with them, you know? So give that a try. Let us know how you get on. And we'll see you next time. Take care now. Bye.